Okay, welcome back. We are back again in a new video reaction, and this time around we are going to touch the video of our one of our sister Mmagha Jesus. Many of you know Mmagha. Has been very vocal in terms of her prophecy, her messages, and everything, and most of them, if not all, have come to pass. You see, the message that she have this time around somehow is quite touching. Like, it's a message of hope to Biafrans. And what he said about Masamono will shock you, of course. I don't know, maybe you are one of those that have seen the video, but if you are not, you are lucky to be here. Please, before we go into that, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. And please put your comment. Let us know what you think about what the video is all about. And this is our way of, encouraging you to support us in any way you can. Now, this message is something that many prophet of God or prophetess have actually said in the past. But sometimes, based on their current activities, most of us seem to have forgotten that it had been prophesied that Biafra will come. And it has also been prophesied that Massacre will be released. But no time frame was given, and no duration of time he will spend in the prison was actually pronounced. But the only thing is that he will come back, and he will come back for good. Mmagha was the person that actually said that Mazi the Prime Minister, will be arrested. That he will be arrested, and a lady will carry it on. That prophecy was released, and I could remember when he said that, when that video was trending, because she said it before the Finland Convention and the order and everything. Then Eggman and their clique, they were they have been praising this lady, but when the video surfaced, they started attacking her and calling her names. I remember what Sonabara said about her, failed prophetess, this and that. All this thing is understandable because this is a way of showcasing their anger. This is a way of passing their own frustration. But the lady don't care. She keep on passing the message. I just highlight the one of a lady taking over the movement, being in charge after Samanaba will be taken. Now she's here again with another powerful, inciting, eye-opening message for all of us who care to hear. Now, I don't want to waste much of your time. Like I told you, please do me a favor, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now listen, let's go there.
What I don't know. I'm seeing Yoruba people leaving their land running. Because of what? What I don't know. Secondly, Nnamdi Kanu is going to be released and Biafra will come. Anybody saying it will not come, you are just deceiving yourself. I know what I'm seeing. I know what I'm seeing. It's not a matter of killing people. Remember when I told the Edo people that they are going to face calamity in their village? Everybody was insulting me online. And the God told me few months ago to tell the man called Very Dark Man that he is the only one that can pray and bring back the unity of the Edo people. But he is busy looking for how to gain fame and also have a good position internationally, international and local. In the spiritual realm, Oba of Edo and Very Dark Man are the ones ruling Edo City. But Very Dark Man need to go to somebody that is higher than him to cleanse him because he is dirty. I don't know what painted him dirty. I don't know why he's dirty. I am only a messenger. Both men and women, go and buy shoe. We are going to run. Remember I told you the calamity will come from north.
Okay.
So many of you call me names.
She did not even shy away mentioning the source of the calamity, where the problem will start, and who will be in charge of that problem, who will be an instigator. Warning after warning after warning to everybody, and many people are still sleeping, believing that 2027 will be the heaven on earth and all that. Okay, let's continue.
And if you check online, the calamity is coming from north. Igbo people, they should do a praying and fasting in all the states. Each of them should wear black. They will lie down at any junction of their state that both man, woman, visitors follow and enter the city or the state. You may see me as a noisemaker or a mad person, but check all the messages, prophecy that Mmagha have been given. By the grace of God, all of them have come to pass. Write it down. Nnamdi Kanu is going to come out by force, and I see prisons broken.
In Amia, not by protest, not by signing contract. She said by force. By force. That is where the whole thing gets interesting, because who is going to force this thing? I don't know. But I pray that this prophecy, that he will come out, let it just, be fulfilled. Let it come to pass. That's my prayer.
I see many lawyers being murdered in a cold blood.
Wow.
Because their secret was exposed. Especially those people that eat money and hide the truth. I see many police and army people running away from their barrack. And I see women nakeding themselves, cursing government. I am only...
Well, this message sounds like a revolution. Somehow, it's at the beginning, it sounds like terrorist takeover, not a military takeover. When she said, get your shoe, get your boots, and because we are going to run. That one sounds like Afghanistan 2.0. Then again, he's saying that lawyers will be feared in their numbers, will be, you know what I mean by if you mother, will be feared in numbers. And that one sounds like revolution somehow, and especially when she said that mothers will be causing the government. That is kind of mass, revolution, or people decide to realize their mistakes. I don't know, but this kind of message you cannot hold. You cannot just say that it is categorically white or black. But the message is, let's just pray that God, in His infinite mercy, will turn things in our favor, the one that people can bear. I don't wish anybody to buy anything at all, but we need to also understand that we have large job. Canada.
Only a messenger. And I see Imo State losing the remaining hope they had. I see calamity. Many of you are always shouting, Mmagha, can't you see good things for once? If you do good, God will show me good and I will say it. I only deliver the message God gave me. Many of you think I always cook up the stories. I speak when God asks me to speak. If you do good, God will give me good message, blessing message I will drop. But if you didn't give me, I cannot forge it.
Exactly.
Nnamdi Kanu is coming out.
Yes, sir.
By force, so not just by force. And I see Biafra come to pass. Be prayerful.
Exactly.
I saw Omenala being reshoved. Ahum tradition people in Igbo land, they may have shove.
Okay, that is the message that we have from Maya, and please, I believe you have listened to that. Make sure you like it and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. See you again. Bye bye for now. Take care.